To create Proforma using Shipzy Import Export Software, you just need to go on to master settings and fill some master data like company information. The basic company related information is listed here, which will be available in the PDF of the invoice. After that, fill company address, which is also visible on PDF of the invoice. After that, fill customers. Add your customers list here and just save the customer details. After adding customers, we need to add package type and packaging details. So adding package type, packages and packaging material will help Shipzy to distinguish your packaging units and auto calculation. And after that, we need to add unit. So after adding unit, system will auto calculate the packages according to quantity. So after adding this much of master data, you are all set to go for creation of Proforma invoice. So I am going to export documents, and under export documents, I am hitting Proforma invoice. On Proforma invoice, I am going to add new. After clicking add new, I am seeing quotation number selection and PI selection here. So add these details and just hit on save button. PDF will be auto generated by Shipzy software, and this is done. So in doc section, view PI. So click on view PI and you can directly see the PDF in your browser. So this is a PDF view in browser. So this is how you can create Proforma invoice. Thank you.